Greetings to all present here. So this is Sonam Gesh from Aerospace Department, and today we are going to discuss about a topic of how sheet metal operations are going and done in the industries, and what are the kinds of advanced technologies which are implemented in the sheet metal operations. So could you share your thoughts and things which you have learned from the sheet metal operations? So let's start with the Ajay.
Well, I did say laser cutting. It's advanced because it uses a high power laser beam to cut precious shape. In sheet metal with minimal material waste, you can cut complex pattern and it work on wide metals. Wide is not metal. Even reflect one like aluminum if you use the right laser type like fiber lasers.
Okay, so when we take about the laser cutting, its precautions and the precision of measurement is well and good. So, can you say some topics and the things about what you learned, Savana?
Sure, sir. I will go with the water jet cutting. It is an advanced because it was a high pressure stream of water, sometimes mixed with adhesives and cut through thick metal. Without generating heat, it means no thermal destruction, which is big deal for materials like titanium and stainless.
So based on the water cutting and the laser cut, what is your opinion on the operations which will be in the better way?
Yes, sir. I was reading about plasma cutting, especially high definition plasma. Like its advantages because it uses a forced plasma for cleaner, more precious cuts than traditional plasma. You can get near laser quality on thicker metal and it's faster than lasts for some applications.
Okay, so when we take up the plasmas, does it comes under the CNC operations, and what are the kinds of challenges we face day to day life in those industries or in those operations? Can you explain, Vijay?
I think one challenge is the initial cost. Laser cutting machines, especially fiber lasers, are expensive to buy and maintain. Also, for very thick metals, the cutting speed slow down and you might need higher power, which increase energy cost. And reflective metals can be tricky unless you have got the right setup.
Okay, so when we come about the experiment setup, so what are the kinds of material which can be used in that? So it can be a copper or a brass. So can you explain it?
Yes, sir. Water jet cutting is a slow laser and plasma synthesis. So it is not very best for high volume production. Also, adhesive materials used in harder material can be need a proper disposal. You get this maintenance by high pressure pumps which can wear out.
Okay, so the maintenance, what about the maintenance cost and the working of a plasma cutting?
Yes, sir. I would say it's less precious than laser. For very thin sheet or initiate some interact designs, also plasma cutting still present. Still produce a large affected zone that water jet might affect material properties and you need proper fertilized because of funds and the gases generated.
Okay, so now we came across three types of cuttings. So on this, which will be the better one, and what will you suggest to me for an operation?
I will pick laser cutting for thin to medium thickness sheet where you need super precious intricate cuts like for electronics hosting or decorative panels. They are also great for automatic with the automation with the CNC system and when you want a clean edge with minimal post processing.
Okay, as Ajay said, so he has taken the plasma cutting. So what about your water jet?
So water jet is a bed for thick materials or when it cannot risk thermal damage, like cutting aerospace alloys and compounds. It is also great for mixed materials like metals or coatings, since it is in them off.
Okay, Vinod. So we come across plasma and water jet cutting. So on this, how can you explain which will be better in your way?
Yes, sir. High definition plasma is ideal high definition plasma is ideal for thicker metal like steel, plastics used in shipbuildings or heavy militaries, heavy machineries. It's faster than laser for applications and chapter than water jet for high volume cuts, especially it precious, it not crucial I suppose.
Okay, so based on this, Sana, can you explain about how an AI can be implemented in these kinds of operations or in these kinds of machineries?
Yes, sir. I think AI and automation makes a big difference. Like CNC systems with AI, which can operate parts or laser or plasma to reduce water and speed up. Production automation also means robot can handle loading and unloading. Sheets makes process easier and safer.
Okay, so on this we can conclude each and every process and each and every steps are good, and when we compare to the three ones, three are in well and good manner. So we can try and consume how it works and how it's in the next video. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.